Hi students, today we are going to discuss some bits which are given in Akash Doctors series that is on Earth's magnetism. Firstly, I read loudly the question and then I will explain the answer. Then I will send it through the PDF file in the group. Okay. Now, first question is Earth's magnetism is due to number 1 cosmic rays, charged particles in the atmosphere, circular currents in Earth's crust. Fourth one is both second and third. But you have to know that there are so many theories regarding Earth's magnetism, but now we are considering Earth's magnetism is due to circular currents in Earth's crust. So third answer is correct. Now, second question. The Earth behaves as a magnet with magnetic field pointing approximately from the geographic. So, one theory is we can feel that Earth is a huge bar magnet. Their poles are different from geographic north pole and geographic south pole. So, Earth's field will be from south to north. So the given options are north to south, south to north, east to west, west to east. So second option is correct. Now the Earth's magnetic field, number 1, varies in direction but in magnitude, varies in magnitude but not in direction, varies in both magnitude and direction, is centered exactly about the center of the Earth. So students, if you observe 4 options, Earth's magnetic field varies in direction and magnitude from place to place. So third answer is correct. Now the strength of Earth magnetic field is constant everywhere, zero everywhere, having very high value, vary from place to place on Earth's surface. We have discussed in the third question. So fourth one is correct answer. So Earth's magnetic field varies from place to place on Earth's surface. Fifth question. The angle of dip at place on Earth gives. So the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, the location of geographic meridian, the vertical component of Earth field, the direction of Earth's magnetic field. So you have to remember, we have already discussed today. So what is the dip? Dip is angle made by the magnetic field with the horizontal component. So it gives the direction of the Earth's magnetic field. Sixth question. See, the angle of dip is the angle. We have already discussed this. I will read the options first. Between the vertical component of Earth's magnetic field and magnetic meridian, between the vertical components of Earth's magnetic field and geographical meridian, between the Earth's magnetic field direction and horizontal direction, between the magnetic meridian and the geographical meridian. We have already discussed it. So dip is the angle between Earth's magnetic field direction and horizontal direction. So third option is correct. Now another one question. A vector needs 3 quantities for its specification. Which of the following independent quantities is not used to specify the Earth's magnetic field? We have already discussed it. To describe the Earth's magnetic field at any point, we need three terms. That is magnetic declination theta, magnetic dip delta, and horizontal component of Earth field. So we need these 3. Another one, we will divide the Earth magnetic field into 2 components. One is horizontal component and one is vertical component. We have no need with vertical component. So for the given question, fourth answer is correct. Vertical component of Earth's field is BV is not necessary for us in this question. Now, which of the following is universal magnetic property? So this is a very important question. We have three types of materials. One is paramagnetic, second one is diamagnetic, and third one is ferromagnetic. So every material has the property of diamagnetism. So which of the following is universal magnetic property? Ferromagnetism, diamagnetism, paramagnetism, antiferromagnetism. So diamagnetism is universal property of materials. So you have to remember. So second option is correct for it. Earth's magnetic field always has a horizontal component except where will have no horizontal component? At equator, at magnetic pole, at a latitude of 60 degrees, none of the above. So you have to know horizontal component will not be arise at magnetic poles, because magnetic pole will stand vertically up or down at magnetic poles. So second one is correct. So students, please go through other questions given in the book. If you have any doubt, contact me in WhatsApp group. Thank you.